Susie? T-Power!
Just so sad, you guys. I got you guys. You guys thought I was sad. Look, you see that.
No witnesses?
But what I would suggest that you do is keep your wig on.
Down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Hey yo, I've been a bad bitch, Kakiana.
How is he, Doc? He's in a coma. We try. Can I see him? You still going to school?
I want to be ninja. Take her down to Chinatown.
Always been from like.
Yo, who in here? Who in here? Anybody in here?
Don't! Oh my god!
What did he do? Was he supposed to do that?
I have no idea.
Oh my God! You see that, Kevin? Huh?
It's not my fault, not my fault. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. We're fine.
Well, here's the tea.
And
Here's the motherfucking tea. Here's the motherfucking tea.
let's continue.
Nice to meet you. Oh, hey, how are you guys? Oh, really? Awesome. You want to know what? No, I am going to leave. Everything is changed, your love is off the chain. Everything is changed, everything is changed, everything is changed, your love is off the chain. Everything is changed, everything is changed, your love is off the chain. Can't explain, can't explain. Change.
She's the greatest vocalist to ever live.
911, is it an emergency? No! What is it? It's DiGiorno!
Wait, what is the dog doing? What is that?
I hate my body. I hate my body. I hate.
My phone kept freezing, but I met these guys, these two guys, and they was like, how much you charge? And I was like, I ain't no cheap hoe, you gotta pay. So guess what they got me? A McDonald's meal, a double quarter, and a shake.
Remember the last time you used a public restroom?
cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe my eyes. I cannot believe I'm falling.
My wig! For all of you haters saying that my baby is fake, try me again, sweaty.
Hell no! Let me show y'all bitches something. I will take this shit out. I swear to God.
There ain't f***ing funny, Tammy. Don't start laughing. Just who you want to...
Hello. This is for Rachel, you big, fat, white, nasty, smelling, fat bitch. Why you took me off the motherfucking schedule with your trifling, dirty, white, racist ass, you big, fat bitch. Oompa Loompa body ass bitch. I'm coming up there and I'm gonna beat the fuck out of you, bitch. And don't even call police today because I'm gonna come up there unexpected and wait on your motherfucking ass, bitch. I'm coming to beat the fuck out of you, bitch.
I'm not doing this. I'm not doing this.
But I must express myself. If you don't let me gut out this house and make it my own, I will go insane and I will take you with me!
Shut up!
¿A quién estás diciendo charapu? ¿A mí me estás diciendo?
Look out, you're talking to your highness. Look out, you're talking to your highness. Can't see me, I'm the reason for your blindness.
Like, I can't.
Yeah.
Dang. That's tough.
Now. Why? Shoot. What are you talking about? Shoot. Shoot. What are you talking about?
Sorry.
Let me tell you why.
Let me tell you why. Let me tell you why.
What the fuck is that?
What's up, bitch? Suck my dick, bitch.
I know I ain't crazy.
I don't dance. I know you can.
I don't love you anymore. Goodbye.
See, when you do clownery, the clown comes back to bite.
I am fucking raging. Raging. I'm fucking fuming.
Babe, I might need to do one more.
No, you're good. I don't think you need to do it. Oh, Johnny.
One more nugget.
So lovely, so
One more nugget, babe. Nug me.
I think we should stop.
Get the fuck out about that.
Just don't ask. I'm going through a tough time.
LeBron James. What? LeBron James.
I'm gonna sing Cher Lloyd by Cher Lloyd or Rebecca G then. And don't forget all the trouble we got into.
Why does somebody not know how to flush a toilet after they've had a shit?
What do you mean?
Well, it was fucking one of yous. Disgusting! Disgusting!
Don't be fucking rude.
Are you kidding me?
I swear to God,
Stop.
don't be fucking
What
rude
are you
and throw the thing on
doing?
me. I'll fucking hurt you. Don't do that.
Stop. Oh my God.
Bad walk through, bad bitches walk through. Spin your last on me, like who you came to talk to. This that bad walk through, bad bitches walk through. When that bad come through, bad bitches run.
Excuse me, I'm fucking out of here right now.
For too many times too long. Lock that bitch up. Lock it up. Come with something new. Do something fucking different.
Kim, would you stop taking pictures of yourself? Your sister's going to jail.
I said, excuse me, motherfucker. Do you like jelly beans? He was like, yeah, but not the black and the green ones. Motherfucker, who said I had Easter jelly beans? To make a long fucking story short, I put a whole bag of jelly beans up my ass. And it's 24 hours later and I ain't find none yet.
¿Quieres?
Well, I guess that's the way it works.
Smoking kills, boys.
So does talking shit, Sister Helen. Hey, fuck you.
You slapped me, you monkey!
Marry me.
Hi guys.
Hi guys.
Do you know what we are? We're
We are
fucking
fucking
cult destroyers.
And the sad part, they're not going to jail. They're going to prison. That way. And that's a period, bitch. Girl,
No! Nobody cares.
I'm going home.
Now, what we're gonna do here is, I would like to give.
Some of y'all is fat. And
I don't know. I just don't think this is like great for me. I don't want to do it. I want to go home. Like I can't take the pressure of it. But don't you think any job interview?
Black Mary.
Oh, my husband is a piece of America's history. Hi, I'm Hillary Clinton and I'm ready.
Are going to pretend we didn't see that.
My two besties.
Wait, did you call me a bestie?
Yeah.
First of all, I should be your only bestie.
First of all, I'm not 16, so I shouldn't say that.
the fuck up. Stop.
I need that money, cause I be the baggy beat. Barbie team, bringing body beat.
Excuse me, I'm fucking out of here right now.